How to disable Instagram without deleting it. So I am here on Android, and if you want to disable it, you just need to go to your home screen. Then you can head over and then long press right here your Instagram. So when you long press right here your Instagram, you will see some options such as remove. So this will essentially just remove your Instagram on your home page, but not on your entire phone. So you can head over right here to your settings, scroll down until you can see the apps, and then from in there you can see in here this. So from there, click on this app screen here again, and then scroll down until you reach the Instagram. Here's your Instagram right here. Now you have the option to actually force stop them and then remove all the permissions. So basically, when all permissions has been removed, the Instagram will be disabled, and it will also prompt you to clear the cache as well as the data of your Instagram. In that way, it will take less space and you won't need to delete it because it will be stopped clicking on this force stop right here. So that's how you disable Instagram without deleting it. Hope we help.